Hey, what is going on? And good morning. This is going to be a real quick one on what to do and what not to do. So that way you can bring success in your home-based business. You can have success with this opportunity by doing the right things, following the instructions, following the training, and putting them to work and putting action behind the training that you receive when you join with Infinity Processing System. The training is so powerful. It's just up to you to utilize the training. It's up to you to put the training to use. Now, before we get started, I just want to give Miss Vicky a congratulations on making her first sale with Infinity Processing System. So congratulations to you. She's went through and she's utilized the program, and she utilized the content strategies. She utilized the training to be able to earn her $50 commission. So those who joined with her is now able to earn unlimited $50 commissions. And plus, the starter packet is a great packet to start with if you're new to online marketing, online business, if you're thinking about joining an opportunity or learning how to start spreading yourself online to make a online income. The starter packet with Infinity Processing System is wonderful for newbies and for somebody who just starting out. Now I have my link in the description if you want to give this give it a look over. It'll take you to a website, gives you all the explains everything, how it's broken down, how you get paid, what you're going to do with it. And this training, I'm going to say it like this. A lot of people are marketing and selling the training not just because it's wonderful, but because it gives them a product that helps them make 100% commissions to them. Now, once you take this training and you go full hard in it and you learn the process, you can use this training to promote and sell any opportunity, any product, because now you have the know-how to drive traffic to that product, which is very important when it comes to affiliate marketing. So again, congratulations to you, Vicky, on your win and your success, and may we see more proof and more testimonies of your winnings and earnings. Congratulations again. When I come down here to Veronica, she says, good morning, everyone. I just signed up this morning. My sponsor is Katie Phillips. Thank you again. Now, I haven't seen Katie Phillips in the group. She's not really active in the group, and a lot of people aren't. So I did go over to Katie Phillips' page, and I checked out Katie Phillips' page. Beautiful page, put together. She followed the training in the back office of the program. And that is how Katie Phillips was able to join Veronica, get Veronica to join in with the Infinity Processing System, where Veronica will now be able to make 100% commissions to her. So congratulations to you, Veronica, on taking the time and taking the chance to join in with this wonderful opportunity and learn what this system has to offer. Now I want to take you over to Katie's page. You see here it says she has a post that says act now, share a premium digital product. You don't have to make and collect 100% of profits. You own it. Consistently daily payouts. Drop me a holla right here. As you can see, she has somebody that's reaching out to her and asking her for the info. If we go let's check out more of her comments. Let us in here. So she got yet another yes, please, no brainer. This opportunity is pure. Yes, love this. She's letting everybody know this is not an MLM. No monthly fees, no team building. newbie friendly, instant payout direct to you, 100% commissions, all training, all you ever need. If you're ready, make a big move. See, she's using the attraction part of the attraction marketing to be able to get others to want to join with her or check out her opportunity. 100%. Say it loud. Is this MRI Road to Max Projections? No, it's not. This is Infinity Processing System. Love this opportunity. As you can see, the training helps you attract people to your post so that way they want to see what you're offering and how to get started with you. Now, I want to share this post because you cannot ignore this. Start your business today. Learn how to earn 100%, $100 a day by copy and pasting ads on social media. I jumped on this income stream because it offers 100%, and she breaks down again what the system has to offer, and it's teaching her all in the back office on how to write engaging posts, how to write posts that someone will be attracted to be able to come into your business. So this page is a do. This is how you do attraction marketing. You see, she has curiosity posts. She has posts with proof of other people sharing testimony about the group. Now, as you can see, she is fearless. She has her page set up for success. She has her intro. And then down in here, you can find where her website is. This page is set up for success. This is a do. This is how you use the training in the back office to be able to attract people to you. Now let's go over a don't do. And I want to take you by my page real quick. I put up a post yesterday, 17 hours, get off the fence when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I was sharing a testimony that if you learn the skills and use the tools, use the proof group pictures and pre-written ads in the email follow-ups. Right here, I had someone reach out to me in the email saying that they want to get started with me in the opportunity. So I shared that. And here you have a guy named Nathan Powell says, well put. Tell him thank you. And then again, he goes to write, why are people on Facebook always trying to sell you? LOL for 2 years. Well, me and Mr. Nathan had a conversation. And it's not to put him on blast, but these are just things that, people, when they're not having the success or they're not seeing the wheel spinning for them, but they see it spinning for you, a lot of times they get angry, frustrated, so they want to go and discourage you from your online journey, discourage you from stop posting, to discourage you from your business. Now, him and I had a little conversation, and he says 2 years. I asked him about if how long he's been doing affiliate marketing. He's been on TikTok, whatever. And this guy says he's been a marketer for 6 years. 6 years. 6 years. I'm gonna stress that point, 6 years. But I'm gonna get here to the end real fast. If we come here to Mr. Nathan's profile, there's one little picture. It's not explaining what's going on with his profile, what he doing, nothing about his business. I don't see any links around. This page is not set up for success. He's using the ads, but as you can see, there's no engagement on any of his posts. And a lot of the people that are posting and giving him comments are some of the same people. But if you can see, no one is seeing Mr. Nathan's post. No one is seeing Mr. Nathan's videos. No one is seeing what his opportunity has offered. Why? Because he's not following the training, you guys. With this Infinity Processing System, it comes with training. And if you can see right here, we're going to Facebook Marketing Pros. Build up your profile bonus video. Set up your Facebook profile for success. That wasn't a successful profile view, you guys. Optimize your professional for success. Make Facebook marketing intro. Oh, we had a little glitch. But if you can see here, generate massive traffic. Content for free Facebook traffic. Mr. Nathan, you need to read this because it's going to help you build that traffic when it comes to marketing on Facebook. Now, I do have my link in the description in the bottom. If you want to see more about this opportunity, learn how you can actually set up your profile for success, how you can actually gain massive traffic through the training. Don't do it once, don't do it twice. Go over the training wholeheartedly every day. You have to build that rapport in your mind where it ingrained and unlocked. When you do something consistently, then it becomes more natural. It becomes a passion, and it helps you to be more successful no matter what it is. It don't have to be online marketing. It don't have to be anything to do that with the internet. If you're a construction worker, the more you use a hammer, the better you are with it. The more you use a drill, the better you are with it. And I'm going to say that because I was a construction worker. I used to work in a manufacturing plant before I found how to start making money online. What drove me here, it's getting sick with lupus and not being able to function in a regular work environment when it comes to doing heavy lifting and work activities. So I just wanted to drop by here, you guys. If you stay to the end, thank you for staying to the end. This was, I want to say, a heartbreaking one, because I would like to see all our members in our community succeeding and thriving with this opportunity. But you have to do the training. You have to follow it step by step. We have an awesome community. If you're getting stuck, come into the community, ask questions, and there's always somewhere to help. Someone there that's more than willing to help you and help you get to where you need to be. But they say a closed mouth don't get fed. You have to ask for help. This is my segment. If you guys, again, want to check out the Infinity Processing System, I have my link in the description below. If you want to get with me on Facebook, contact me through Messenger. And you want to know more about this grand opportunity, hit the link in the bottom. I have the Facebook link down there. Contact me, and thank you for watching this video. Remember, hit the like, share, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here.